All right, we got two more chances for Brady tonight. First, it's going to be a brand new series, Series 3 from Gold Rush Autograph Football Jersey. Another one with Brady. It's also got Mahomes and guys like Joe Burrow, Trey Lance, Justin Herbert, and others. Josh Allen. So let's see if we can pull one of those monster names out of this. So this is from eBay on Saturday night. Allen's got the Panthers, the Jets, the Eagles, and Titans. Ashley with the Cowboys, Texans, Jags, Raiders, Rams, and Saints. Corey's got the Vikings. Chris K with the Ravens. Danny's got the Broncos and the Giants. John P with the Falcons and Dolphins. Mike, you've got the Lions. Rick's got the Bengals, Packers, Colts, Chiefs, Chargers, Patriots, Bucks, Cardinals, Browns, and Seahawks. Ronnie with the Bills. And then TL had the Steelers and the 49ers. I don't think I got payment from you on those. All right, guys, let's see what we can get. Oh, no. All right, it's going to be a Dolphin, which is going to be John P. It's going to be a Ricky Williams. 420, which is a... sound like I'm an idiot. It's like a pot reference, right? I feel like we pulled this once before and you guys had to educate me on it. Some kind of pot reference. So it's Beckett authenticated. He was a good running back. He was an even bigger pot smoker. So we will get that in the mail tomorrow. John, congratulations to you on that. And we'll try it again. Another box out of this fresh case of Series 3 coming up next Monday night.